trying to recognise where we are. We've been back in a while.
I'm going around. There were the very heavy traffic on that way, so that 3 minutes and you will be home.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. You got another drive tonight, or yeah? Picking up from where?
Gatwick.
Okay. How long's that drive? Then Gatwick to where?
To Bournemouth.
Oh, back to Bournemouth. Okay. I know where we are now.
Do you know the postcode for that place?
I know where it is. I don't know the postcode. But
Is it TW8?
yeah, that sounds right.
Yeah?
TW8 sounds right.
Okay.
I think that sat-nav's got you going the right way. So
The one sat-nav was completely confused from
Really?
that address, and just the Google Maps show me
Yes, yeah.
where that should be, but it's weird. It's very weird.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, and then if you go like all the way through,
Yeah,
yeah, keep going. down.
like to the factory. Yeah.
Yeah, you can go all the way. You can go, yeah, and then down to the end.
Shit, it's a nice place.
Yeah, go all the way down to the end where that white thing is down there, and then you can turn around.
Oh, you're kidding me?
Yeah, she's in one of these apartments up here. It's a good little area.
Unbelievable. Search pumping station. So somewhere here?
Yeah, this is perfect right here. Thank you so much.
Fucking hell. Well, I will not ask you what is the rent here.
So my sister, she doesn't. I couldn't actually tell you.
I think that should be 1800.
Yeah. What? I'm not sure. Huh? Yeah.
It's a very nice place.
Yeah, very good location.
Quiet.
Yeah, really quiet, which is really nice.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's
5 minutes, 10 minutes.
yeah, 5 minutes.
Really? Jesus, it's absolutely amazing. No, seriously, if you think that you are living in a quiet place,
Yeah, exactly.
you're 5 minutes still here. Jesus. Anyway, enjoy the rest of weekend, yeah? Bye bye. No tak to mě poser, ty vole. No. Tak ty píčo. To je teda něco. To je teda věc tohleto. Lofty, ty vole. Jako vytápět bych to nechtěl, to jako ne zase úplně. Ale tenhle ten nahoře, ty vole, jak tam mají ty polštáře u toho okna, no to je něco teda. Ty vole, to je porno, to je normální porno tohleto. Brentwood Sewage Pumping Station. No mě jebne. Tak to je něco, ty vole, to je fakt jako, to je fakt, ale to je, no,